Hey guys, it's Danny. Welcome back to Creepy Crafty Days here on my channel where I'm sharing 31 days of videos all throughout October. For today's video, I am sharing a mini bag flip. This bag, I think my boyfriend got it for me last year from the Target dollar spot and I still had some left over. So here I'm just measuring out some of my Scary Harry Halloween papers from my digital collection. I do have my own Harry themed collections over in my shop, which I will link down below for you guys. But today I'm using these because every Sunday this month of Creepy Crafty Days, I'm calling it my Scary Harry Sundays. So every Sunday this month you can look forward to seeing me use my Scary Harry Halloween collection in projects. I thought that would be a fun way to share my collection with you guys and also get some use out of it, and it's just really fun, and I love when alliteration and all that. It's a good time. So I did something similar during Christmas or Vidmas. I had my Merry Harry Mondays, so I figured Scary Harry Sundays would be fun. But at this point in the project, I've gone ahead and layered on a couple of my panels because I didn't want the eat, drink, and be scary to show. I wanted to use my Harry papers, so I put those down, and then I'm going to use some foam tape to adhere down the little pocket front, what will become the pocket of the front of the bag flip, with some of the Tombow foam tape. And I did that because this will be going through the mail, so I really want to make sure that things don't fall apart or pop off, which typically with Tombow adhesives they don't anyway, but I just want to make double sure. And you can see that I stamped out a little Harry and Hedwig character. Those stamps are from Sweet Stamp Shop, as well as that little sentiment, and I used some of the Catherine Pooler ink to stamp that out. And this little sentiment, I'm going to make it into a little flag to put on the front of my bag flip. So I'm just cutting a little fishtail in there, and I wanted to layer it over some gold glitter washi tape, so I'm going to cut that as well to be a flag shape. And I didn't cut it very well the first time, so I'm going to recut it again. And then I will put it on the front of the bag over the pumpkin paper. So I think it turned out super cute. I really love kind of the front layering that's going to happen here. So yeah, and then on the back of the little sentiment, I'm going to put some more of the Tombow foam tape to give the front of the bag flip a little bit of dimension, and as well as the little Dementor guy here, I'm going to put some foam tape on the back of him and have him kind of flying out from the pocket. I thought that would be kind of fun and a little bit spooky. But I love this collection so much, you guys. I worked so hard on it. I hand painted everything myself with watercolors and then digitally, you know, made them into a collection for you guys. So there's elements and papers and journal cards and all that. So again, I will leave a link down below. I would love for you guys to check it out. Here I'm going to go ahead and fussy cut out the Hedwig and the Harry. And I will put down that sentiment because I want the little Harry and Hedwig to stand on top of the little sentiment, and I think it'll be really cute. But first I'm going to add some little dashes around my little banner just to add a little bit of extra something on there. And then I will use some of the Tombow Mono Adhesive Permanent Plus to pop my little Harry and Hedwig, you know, on top of the banner and have them just kind of chilling there. I think that's really cute, right? Friends till the end, you know? Aw, it was so cute because they loved each other so much, and, you know, I don't know. The Dementors are scary. But here I'm going to go ahead and start filling up my little bag. I'm just putting some journaling cards and a sheet of orange alphabet stickers from Studio Calico in here. As the month goes on and I continue to make more like handmade Happy Mail goodies and stuff, I will probably pop some of those in here as well. This is just to kind of get things going. And then that big orange die cut of the pumpkin I thought would be fun, and some little jemmies, a little spider guy, and then that little crow on the pumpkin reminds me of the whole Buckbeak situation, right? I thought that was perfect, so I'm so happy I had that in my stash. Added a little black and white paper clip, and then time to add some little jemmies on the front just to tie everything together, make it a little bit more sparkly, a little bit more fun. So I'm using some orange, and then I'm gonna pop some black ones on here for my stash. And then I think I go back in with maybe little bat guys or some like darker oranges. And Harry's little scarf and sweater didn't look quite red enough, so I'm just touching that up with a Tombow dual brush pen. But that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you're not already, and I will see you guys in tomorrow's video. Bye! Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope that you loved it. If you missed yesterday's, you can click up here. If you want to join in all the fun crafty shenanigans happening over in the Crafty Club this month, you can click right here. And if you want to subscribe, which I really hope you do, thank you so much in advance, you can click right here, and I will see you guys in tomorrow's video. Bye!